Hello and welcome to helpmewithpcs.com. This tutorial will be over securing a computer's BIOS settings. This is best suited to do in a business environment. However, it can be done on a personal home computer. To access the BIOS, we want to pay attention on the splash screen of our motherboard manufacturer what key it says to use to enter the BIOS. In this case, it is F10. We want to begin by powering on the computer and being ready to hit the key that it tells us to. Okay, we are now in the BIOS. We will want to select English. And now we will want to disable booting from a multimedia device. Booting from a multimedia device would allow someone to access the information on the computer without supplying the password required by the operating system. So we will want to set the hard drive C as the first option. We will then want to set the Ethernet controller as the second option, allowing booting from the network if need be. However, we will then want to come up to the multi-bay device and disable it. In this case, press F5. And the same with booting from a USB device. We will now press F10 to accept the changes. Now if we go to the power on options, we can turn off the prompts for the shortcut keys to enter the BIOS. However, with disabling these, you will want to remember what shortcut key it is to enter the BIOS because it will no longer be displayed on the screen. We'll go ahead and press F10 to accept these changes. And now we can go to Device Security. If your keyboard and mouse are connected via the USB port, you could disable the parallel ports for additional security. And press F10 to accept changes. And now we will want to go to Setup Password. We will want to set a setup password so that users of this computer cannot access and alter our BIOS settings. Alright, and press F10 to accept changes. We will now go to Save Changes and Exit. And press F10. And our operating system will start as normal.